asked and you have to give the answer. Now here one question is there and tell me. There are three types of friction, namely sliding, static and rolling. They are respectively denoted as FSL. SL means sliding, FST means static, F roll means rolling friction. And four options are given. And which option is right? Tell me.
The B.
Ronak answer is B. Others?
Yes, sir. B for me as well.
It's B. Arya? Arya? My answer is B. Okay. So, Naisha? Naisha? Right. Ronak, your answer is?
B.
Very good. So, right option is B. Observe carefully. Static frictional force is greater than sliding friction. Sliding frictional force is greater than rolling friction. Very good. So, this type of question will come in your examination. Now, let us try to understand about advantages of friction. And maybe I explained in a first session also, to ride or to walk, to make a car to move and to apply the brakes. What is needed? Frictional force is required. And this also I said in previous class. Frictional force is a necessary evil. Is it right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Kavya? Is it right or wrong? Frictional force is necessary evil.
It's right.
Okay. It is necessary, but it is look like a evil also. Why it will look like a evil? That we learn in a disadvantages. Now observe carefully. Advantages of friction. Friction enables us to walk without slipping. Friction enables a car to move on a road without skidding. Friction enables us to apply brakes and slow down or stop a moving car. Friction enables us to write and draw on a paper. So all these are what? Advantages. And without this frictional force, we can't match a stick. Sorry, we can't lit a matchstick also. If frictional force is there, whether can you produce heat energy?
Never, sir.
We cannot produce heat energy. Okay. Now frictional force enables us to pick up or hold the things in our hand. Nails can be fixed in a wall due to friction. Friction enables us to light a matchstick. Friction enables us to cut a wood with a saw, and that machine will be there, sawtooth will be there. So that machine will work on the basis of friction only. So all these are possible only by friction. Without friction, we can't imagine our life, Nana. Because of friction only, we are living on the earth. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us learn what are the disadvantages of friction. Maybe this also we studied in a previous session. So now let us learn more. Friction results in the large amount of power loss in engines and hence brings down their efficiency. So to overcome that only, what we use ball bearings and we use lubricants. Now how many of you ride your bicycle?
So I,
How many of you are having bicycle?
the me.
Others? You are having bicycle or not? Okay. Akshat or Ronak. So when you are using your bicycle for large number of days, lot of days, after that what you do? You pour oil into that wheels.
Diesel.
So oil and grease.
Very good. Oil and grease will be used.
To
Why we
prevent
use oil and grease?
wear and tear.
To prevent wear and tear, or to make
And sir, make the frictionless and
to make the friction less, we use them. And when that particular lubricant is there, what can be done? Whatever power loss is there, that can be reduced, isn't it?
yes,
So
sir.
generally, due to the friction, what happens? Power loss will be there in the engines, and due to that, their efficiency will be reduced. And this is one main disadvantage of friction. And the wear of the tear of machine increases due to friction, reducing their life. And maybe you know that, suppose you are using your shoe, maybe up to 1 year it may work, and after that, that what happens is that slow will, sorry, whatever down lace will be there, what you call it as sole, that sole will disappear. Have you observed
Yes, sir.
why?
Sir, due to friction.
So you are walking on the road or on any other surface for many times. What happens is frictional force will act on it, and that frictional force will do wear and tear of that particular shoe. So wear and tear will be there for even machines also. So that's why only their life will be decreased, and to increase their life only we do that oiling, greasing, streamlining. So like that will be there. Next, friction causes unnecessary heating of the parts of the machinery, which may alter the operating conditions. So when overheating is there, few machines will not work, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Kavya, is it right or wrong?
It's right.
Okay. So these are disadvantages of friction and advantages of friction. Now let us learn about a few questions in this particular chapter. Now, force of friction is directly proportional to force of friction only. It is not static, it is not anything, just a force of friction. Tell me, size, area, weight, all these factors of the moving body.
Sir, all D.
D.
Kavya?
D. Sir, D. All these factors of the moving body.
All the all these factors of moving
All
body.
these factors. Yeah.
Very good. So right answer, force of friction directly proportional to size, area, weight, and it is for which one? Moving body. Just now only I said to carry heavy load, more tires will be kept, isn't it? So weight also playing important role or not there?
Yes, sir.
Area also playing important role or not? Ronak.
Yes, sir.
And size also playing important role there. So for a moving body, friction will depends upon size, area, weight, all these factors. So that's why D is the right answer. Good. Next, tell me, which of the following is the least? Ronak,
C.
C. Kavya,
C.
Arya, C. Hmm. Akshit, Akshat,
Yes, sir.
tell me which is the answer here.
Sir, C, obviously, rolling friction.
Very good. So rolling friction is the least one. Which is the highest?
Sir, static friction, A.
Static friction. Now let us learn one more question. Frictional force between two flat surfaces can be reduced by greasing, using ball bearing, decreasing the area, all of the above.
So all of the above.
Sir, I
Akshat,
guess A, greasing.
greasing.
No, because ball bearing can get rusted and can get worn and torn.
Get rusted after few years, or only on that same day it will be rusted?
After few years, but so if you grease it multiple times, it'll last longer than using ball bearing.
Okay. Ronak, what is your answer?
Sir, D, all of the above.
Next, Kavya.
I think I'm stuck between A and D, but I think I'll go with D.
You go with
D.
D.
All of
Okay.
the above.
Naisha.
If we think about it like short term and not long term, then D.
What?
Like as you said, like ball bearing can cause rust. So if it's like for a short period, then all of the
Okay. So friction between two flat surfaces can be reduced by greasing. That is right. Using ball bearing also. So if you use ball bearings in between those two surfaces, that also can bring down friction down, decreasing the area of contact. That is also right. So all of the above is right answer. Okay. Next, the flying machine offering the least frictional force should be flying machine.
Streamlined,
Huh?
streamlined.
Very good. It must be streamlined. Okay. Right. So in this way, few questions will be asked related to your kinetic friction, rolling friction, and static friction. Is it clear for all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Others,
sir.
still Kavya, Ronak. After that, Arya,
yes, sir.
Naisha,
Understood everything, sir.
Akshat. Is it
I
clear? Huh?
streamlined. I gave my answer streamlined.
Is it clear? This whatever topic today's topic is clear or
Yes,
not?
totally, totally,
Huh?
totally, sir. Absolutely clear.
Okay, okay. So others also, I hope everyone followed my explanation. So I hope it is clear for all of you. And if any problem is there, you can ask me in the next session so that we can clear off your doubts. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So good night, all of you.